Start by removing standing dirty water and solids immediately to prevent bacterial growth. After you remove bulk water, ventilate the area and assess the contamination level so you can choose the right cleaning method. For routine household sewage or gray water, start by donning protective gloves and waterproof boots, then use absorbent materials like paper towels or disposable rags to pick up remaining solids and surface films, placing all waste into heavy-duty trash bags. Follow with a mop and bucket using hot water and a detergent that breaks down organic material. Change the mop water frequently and rinse the mop head in a separate bucket to avoid cross-contamination. For higher risk contamination such as sewage backflow, use a disinfectant rated for biological soils and follow the label contact time precisely so pathogens are inactivated. After disinfection, rinse the floor with clean water and dry thoroughly using fans and dehumidifiers if available to prevent mold. Finally, launder any reusable cleaning tools on the hottest safe setting and dispose of single-use items promptly to reduce exposure risk. Common mistakes include leaving residual moisture that feeds bacteria and mold growth, so always dry the area completely with air movement and desiccant if needed. Another frequent error is using the wrong cleaning product, which can leave residues or neutralize disinfectants. Read product labels and avoid mixing cleaners so disinfectants retain full effectiveness. People also underestimate contamination on surrounding surfaces, so wipe down baseboards, nearby furniture legs, and tools with disinfectant after floor cleaning. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows project examples so we can help you find the right person for repairs after a clogging incident. We also host a discussion community where our members share tips, ask questions, and trade recommendations that help homeowners and contractors find each other and get work done.